Okay, so that's the lamp. Swivels. Oops, sorry, switch it on. And there is this thing which I cannot do with one hand. So it can be operated with a button. If I press the button, white light, it just cycles through a few colors and then it switches off. It can be operated with a remote, which is on and off. There is a timer. Not sure about these buttons. This one's intensity. So, and smooth. Not sure it does really. Then obviously one can change the colors. And to return it to white, one needs to press the W. It's not bad.
Alexa, living room off.
Okay. Contact your local dealer now to arrange a test drive. Get more with MG.
Head and shoulders. I didn't know you had dandruff. I don't. You got the money? Yeah, I got your money. Head and shoulders. Didn't know you had dandruff. I don't. Pass me the detonators.